Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can upload file in Hostinger. First you need to log in Hostinger account. Then on the top bar click on website, and here you will find all of your website. Now select your website, which one you want to upload the file. Now click on file manager, public HTML. Now go to the right corner and here you can see upload icon, click on that and select files, and now choose your file, open. Now our zip file uploaded. Now if you want to extract it, you can do it. Right click and click extract. Now here you have to choose your folder name, select the destination, this path, let's extract, and it's extracted. So this is how you can upload file in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.